So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter and the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here and a sliding door. After that we'll go inside, so we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, unit on the front wall and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go inside, so on the right side we have 4 feet in meter 1.21 meter wide passage here, and on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, study table with chair and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, drawer arrangement and also study table with chair and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And on the left side we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video, stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.